Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Todoist into Obsidian. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Todoist account in your preferred browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, wait for the dashboard to fully load before moving forward. This ensures everything is ready for the integration process. Now that you're on Todoist's dashboard, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several Todoist tabs and functions listed there. Look for the Help and Resources button and click on it. A small window will appear above the menu with various options. From this window, click on Add Integrations. This will open the Integrations window where you can connect Todoist with other apps and services. Once the Integrations window appears, navigate to the Developer tab and click on it. This section contains your personal API credentials, which are essential for connecting Todoist with external applications like Obsidian. Here, you'll see your Todoist API key displayed. Look for the option that says Copy API Token and click on it. This copies your unique token to your clipboard, which you'll need in just a moment for the Obsidian integration. With your API token copied, open your Obsidian app. On the left-hand menu, locate the gear icon and click on it to access settings. A settings window will appear with various configuration options. From this settings window, click on Community Plugins. This is where you can browse and manage all the third-party plugins available for Obsidian. Next, look for the Browse button and click on it. You'll now see a list of all the plugins available to integrate with your Obsidian app. Use the search bar at the top and type in Todoist. From the search results, click on Todoist Sync. This plugin specifically enables the integration between your Todoist tasks and Obsidian notes. You'll be redirected to the plugin's overview page, which provides information about its features and functionality. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. The installation will commence and should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation has finished, you'll notice the Install button changes to Enable. Click on Enable to activate the plugin. A small window will appear prompting you to enter your API key token. Simply paste in the API key we copied earlier from Todoist into this field. Then click on OK. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Todoist into Obsidian, allowing you to sync your tasks and manage everything directly from your notes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.